here we are with the ZD Racing on 3 cell, which is the included battery. Oops. This is, whoa, this thing is nuts. 3 cells is just mental. I should have bought a 2 cell. This is not normal. Oh my god. This thing's out of control. Well, you don't have to flip it over. You just bleep the throttle and it rights itself after, I don't know, about 10 backflips in a row. Oh my god. Nah, this on 3 cells is out of control. Now you can turn down the top speed, so let's go to like 50%. Let's go to 50%. Okay, well that's more civil. I can actually go to full throttle at 50%. Yeah, that's full speed at 50%. That's much better. Oh my god, I can actually drive the thing. We lost the wheel. We lost the wheel. That means we lost the wheel nut. Oh no. Alright, all fixed. And I've cranked the juice up to about 60%. Just to see if it's drivable. Definitely has a little bit more than the 50. But still manageable. For the most part. Oh, hang on. We can fix that. Let's crank it to 100. Have you ever seen a car flip to its feet that quick? That's crazy. Alright, back on to about 60. So mind you, this is with the 3S included battery. Obviously, if you have yourself a 2S 2200 or something like that, it'll probably be a little bit more drivable. The 3S in this thing is just nuts. Okay, time to see some jumping. Alright, let's see how good these tyres are. Hang on, it's pulling a little bit. Let me adjust that. String trim is not quite right. Alright, that feels better. I'm actually going to go back to 50% just because it was way more manageable. It's kind of hard to line her up. I mean, could you imagine this thing at full speed with full power? I mean, I can barely get this thing to line up as it is. Come on. Oh. Held it a bit too long on that one. Let's go back to full. That can't be good for the diffs. But we're here to test it. So let's test it. Back to 50%. Let's see if we can get one decent jump in. There we go. Tell you what, these tyres are not great, or maybe the diff tune isn't great. For a four-wheel drive, it's really hard to drive. I can't get this thing to go in a straight line. It's either the remote has got some kind of delay that I'm not picking up, the tyres aren't great, or maybe the diffs aren't great. and it's just overheated. See, beeping at me. How is it overheated? What's happened? Let's have a look. I mean, it's got fans everywhere. Let's zoom out. Ow. Both fans are going nuts. I have steering, but no throttle. Let's shut it down. Turn it back on. We have throttle again. This 3S maybe is just too much for it. And mind you, I'm at 50%. So it doesn't make much sense that it would be overheating. I mean, it's warm today, but it's not crazy hot. Alright, let's zoom back in again. On grass, it seems to behave itself pretty well. This is a really well built car, this UDI. I just realized that maybe it didn't come with a 3S. I just got this battery and thought it was the one that came with it. Maybe it does come with a 2S, but I seem to remember it coming with a 3S. Maybe I'm wrong. Either way, this thing is nuts. And it's upside down again. Alright, full power. Let's leave it on full power for a second, just to give you a comparison of what it's like to drive. That's not even half throttle. Now on 3-cell, full power, this thing's out of control. Let's try, come on, come on. I cannot steer it in a straight line. Like, you don't seem to understand the frustration. I can steer it towards me, I mean away from me. Here we go. So I got a backflip out of it. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm not even gonna try the bigger jumps. I'm just probably gonna end up breaking this thing. It is too fast for its own good. Look, what the hell? I'm breathing on the throttle with, you know, the throttle set at 100%. This thing's out of control. I mean, look, is it a fun car? Yeah. You know, does it handle okay? If you drop the throttle to 50%, as you can see here, see, that's full speed now. Now it's manageable. But on the gravel, these tires are doing no work at all. They are putting in minimal effort on the gravel. And I'm struggling to keep this thing in a straight line. On the grass, no problem. Point and shoot, sure. Why? I aimed for the tree. But then, like, let's go to 75. So the arrow is pointing at 75 already. Already you can tell. That's on the brink of self-detonation. It's picked up all the grass on that little rear spoiler. Oh my god. I will say the drivetrain's pretty good. The power is just insane. I think this on 2S would be much better. Or just drive it on 3S with 50%. But this is at 75. And it's just nuts. Like, at what point do we say enough's enough? I mean, do we always say there's never enough power? Is that the mantra that we all, you know, that us hobbyists must live by? Yeah, you can never have too much power. No, I mean, I think there is a limit. And in this car, in this truck, on 3-cell at 100%, even at 75, the argument can be made at 75% that it's just too much. At 100%, I think the proof's in the pudding. This just, oh my god. This is insanity. Oh, look. Let's call it. Oh my god, look at that rear plastic piece is full of grass. Here we go. That's the UDI, a little monster truck. Oh, is it 116 or 16S? This thing's out of control. Good news is the body never came off, so I didn't have to put that body pin in the middle there, which is good. But yeah, this is a handful, this one. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.